Assalamu alaikum. How are you, brother?
I am ठीक.
Actually, I'm a little lost, so I want to go to Panjapir Rocks. So, do you know any place the way to Panjapir Rocks?
Panjapir Rocks you are touching. This is a road. This road.
Okay.
This road is Sidi again touching.
Okay.
Again Sangali stop.
Okay.
Sangali stop to Sida again touching. Again Mercury stop touching. Mercury stop to एक road सीधे ऊपर touching. Again एक one road is left road.
Okay.
एक one road is right side.
Okay.
You are left road ऊपर चढ़िंग. This is बार checking. And again Panjapir na thale aching. Again gadi na gaching. This is stop your gadi stop. And again you are pedal walking
Okay.
and you are Panjapir Pahunching.
Okay. How is the view there on Panjapir Rocks? Is the view beautiful there? How is the view?
View. Yes. This you are Panjapir Dandepur you are stop करें. You are सामने you are Mari you are बिल्कुल straight Mari and Kotli Satya. बड़े पहाड़ big पहाड़ and center which you are दरिया river par total Kashmir Rawalakot Darya Jhelum you are सही आते Darya Jhelum and par view total is Kashmir Rawalakot ni पहाड़ियाँ शाड़ियाँ you are total देखेंगे उधर very good view and Chirana view बड़ा खूबसूरत view this is.
Okay. How are people there normally? They treat well the tourists?
मुझे मारना 10 होना जी.
How people are treated there in this area?
Treating.
Treated.
You are treating.
Behavior. How is people behave there? Are they okay?
Yes. पूछना है लोग. This is the people is very good behavior. You are rastas are pushing totally सही दसिंग. You are not masti करेंगे, not you are this गाली गलोच करेंगे. This is not you are sharing. Okay. People is very good. Not the bar and लोग you are coming. Not किसी की छेड़छाड़ी करेंगे. Hotel is very good and लोग very good guide करेंगे. बस थोड़ा सा you are right. थोड़ा सा ख्याल करेंगे. You are जंगल तीली आग.
Okay. Fire.
And this is total jungle is total Tuba.
Okay.
You are ध्यान करेंगे.
I'll take care of it.
You are not माचिस तीला जलाएंगे.
Okay.
This is आग is बढ़केंगे. फिर बड़ा परवंजा उठेंगे. पाहा.
Okay.
Big आग.
Okay.
And this is your control.
Okay. Thank you very much, brother, for your
You are
time.
सीधा इधर रोड है अपना दक्षिण.
Okay.
सीधा पंजपीर.
Thank you very much.
Bhusha!